Fact number 1. Ever heard of kibbeh? This iconic dish is made from bulgur wheat, minced onions, and finely ground lean beef or lamb. It's a staple in every Syrian feast. Fact number 2. Falafel isn't just an appetizer. In Syria, these crispy chickpea balls are often enjoyed as a main course. Talk about a tasty twist. Fact number 3. Shawarma might be a global favorite now, but did you know it originated in the Levant region? Syrian street vendors perfected this juicy delight long before it became a worldwide craze. Fact number 4. Makdous, a unique dish of oil-cured eggplants, stuffed with walnuts and red peppers, packs a flavorful punch. It's a Syrian delicacy you'll crave after just one bite. Fact number 5, and finally, dessert. Baklava might be famous, but Syria's mamoul, delicious date-filled cookies, are the true stars of Syrian sweets, perfect with a cup of tea. Curious to try these delights? Discover the secrets of Syrian cuisine and let your taste buds travel the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more foodie adventures.